Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine. Now in this video I will show you the Ankr price prediction and what's the next target of Ankr coin. Before starting this interesting video, kindly click the subscribe button right now for a new updates notification, friends. Now let's see the price prediction of the Ankr coin. What's the price change goes in the last 1 hour and what's the next target of Ankr coin at this time, friends. As you can see here, that is the live price prediction of the Ankr coin. First of all, we look the price of the Ankr coin and what's the change goes in Ankr coin. As you can see here, if we talk about the price of the Ankr coin, so the price is about at this time is dollar 0.168669 USD dollar is the price of the Ankr coin in this time, friends. And if we talk about the change okay in Ankr coin, so as you can see here, if we talk about the last 1 hour change, so the last 1 hour change as a negative, and if we talk about the last 1 day price, so the last 1 day price is also in negative, and if we talk about the last 1 week, so the last 1 week price is in positive, friends. So that's mean that the Ankr coin falls down in the previous last 1 day, continuously falls in the Ankr coin in the last 1 day and the last 1 hour. And talk about the market, so the market rank of the Ankr coin is about 94 points. Now let's see the price prediction chart of the Ankr coin. What's the price change goes in Ankr coin, and we are trying to predict what's the next target of the Ankr coin at this time, friends. As you can see here, that is live price prediction of the Ankr coin. As you can see here, we can't do any decision. As you can see here, now if we look the change occur in the last 3 days as in negative 0.82%, friends, as you can see here. So friends, if we talk about the next target of the Bitcoin coin, so then Ankr coin, so the next target of the Ankr coin is about that. Let's predict. If you don't subscribe, so kindly subscribe channel. As you can see here, if we talk about this pattern of the Ankr coin, so if they continue this kind of travel, so as you can see here, take a jump, and after a jump falls down, and take a jump falls down. So friends, it's mean that the Ankr coin falls down occurs in the future, and that is only falls in the future of the Ankr coin. But there is a maybe chances to they take a jump, but we can't say that we can't say about the future of Ankr coin. According to my personal experience, that Ankr coin there is a 70% chances today falls down and a 30% chances today take a jump. So what's your opinion about Ankr coin? Please share your opinion about Ankr coin in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about Ankr coin. Thank you so much for watching this video.